Hi guys, welcome back to Mummy Cooks Homemade. My name's Hayley for anyone who doesn't know. And today we're going to do a fiery Hawaiian chicken. So I've got some chicken portions there. And all I'm going to do is put this marinade inside of this bag. So I'm going to start with onion granules. You can use either one chopped onion or some onion granules. So I put 2 tablespoons in of the onion granules. Garlic paste, either 4 cloves or 4 teaspoons of the lazy person's garlic. Ginger, either a thumb-sized piece of fresh ginger or a good teaspoon of the lazy person's ginger. I don't know, I put 2 in by the looks of it, yep. The other one must have run out. Oh, I tell you when you got these videos all stacked up. So mixed herbs. It's 1 teaspoon of mixed herbs. Lemon juice, a tablespoon. You can of course use lime juice. Fresh or bottled, doesn't matter. Chili pepper puree. So I used chili pepper puree and I used a teaspoon of it. Or you can use half a teaspoon of chili flakes or a quarter teaspoon of hot chili powder. It said a pinch of cinnamon, a few pinches of cinnamon. There was me trying to tip it on my hand. So, one tablespoon of soy sauce. I'm using garlic oil here. I was going to use that sesame oil, but my daughter had this and I realised that she couldn't have that. So I used garlic oil. Any vegetable oil or garlic oil, whichever one you want to use is fine. You want 2 tablespoons. And 2 tablespoons of sugar or any other sweetener really to taste. And some pepper. And this again is to your own taste. So I've got a can of, what do you call it? Pineapples. Pineapple rings in juice. I'm going to use half of that juice. And zip it up. Get a good old mush. And do this in the morning. And then it'll have time to sit in it all day. So I've used quarters, like I said, or you could use some skin on chicken thighs. Or skin off, whichever your preference is. So mine's been left to marinate. And there it is. I'm just gonna, I'm putting the pieces upside down. I'm going to turn that back, look. There we go. Upside down, so that when I turn it over, for the one and only time, the skin will be up then. And it'll get a bit crispier. Although, because it's going to have pineapple on this, it doesn't get too crispy. So I've took it out, and this is the first time I'm going to... I cooked mine for an hour, guys. I'm gas mark 5. So this is 30 minutes in, and I'm turning it skin side up. And this is the point where I'm going to put some pineapple pieces on. This is your Hawaiian, obviously with the juice as well from earlier. I'm going to put some more juice, look. 4 pieces on there when I get around to it. There we go. This has got a little bit of a kick to it as well, so if you're not really into spicy food, I won't bother. So that goes back in the oven, and that's it when it's finished. This is why I used a disposable container, you see. There we are, and it was served with a side of rice, savoury rice and chips, and that was such an easy recipe to do. Oh, and some prawn crackers as well. Don't forget them. Right, nice another quick recipe for you. Thanks very much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll speak to you down below in the comments. Thanks, guys.